is super fast. So since it's so fast, cut you a little slice of lemon to decorate the top of the pie with, because it only takes a second to make the top of the pie pretty. And now we're gonna finish juicing our lemons. So you're gonna need a 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. And I usually use a little strainer, and that way the seeds will be caught in it. And it's up to you how much lemon juice you want to use in your pie, but I prefer for it to be pretty lemony. And we're right at a 1/2 cup. Okay, watch how fast this goes together. Super simple. You're gonna use 2 cans of Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. And of course you can buy a different brand, but this is our favorite. Two cans. Stuff is some good stuff. All right, you're gonna put in your lemon juice. And Mama always used egg yolks, and I do too. And you're gonna use 3 egg yolks. Now these, some people say they get cooked by the juice, the acid in the lemons. But if you're a little leery about the eggs, they help the pie set up. So if you're a little leery about them, you can bake your pie in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So you don't have to worry about that, but we just eat it. So now we're gonna mix this up. This pie can be made in 5 minutes, y'all. All right, we're gonna put this in our pie crust. Eight ounces of delicious cream cheese. A can of sweetened condensed milk. This is 14 ounces. Yes, this milk does have sugar in it. It is like syrup. So many of y'all asked that question. Many of you love sweetened condensed milk and cream cheese together, of course. Now I'm going to put in about a 1/2 cup of lemon juice and a couple of teaspoons of lemon Jell-O. You want to make sure it's good and lemony. Be good. And now we're going to put in a little Cool Whip. All right, I'm going to use part of this on the top of the pie, and I'm going to use half of it inside the pie. I will just fluff it some. You definitely don't want to put this filling on a crust that is hot. So we're going to put this on our crust. And I really did get my crust a little bit too so this is an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip.
Oh yeah, I meant to tell y'all that this is a homemade vanilla crust. It's a vanilla wafer crust. So we'll put the recipe on the end of the description post for it for you.
Now I'm going to take the lemon zest that I zested off the lemon, and I'm just going to lightly sprinkle the top of the pie with it. Delicious lemon cream. Delicious lemon cream. Yummy. And we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of sugar. So just mash them, smoosh them into the butter. And then we're going to place them in the pie dish. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And you can go 12 minutes if you want to. Oh, right here. Put it right here. That'll be good, good. Now, it's pretty thick, so I'm going to bake it about 12 to 14 minutes. All right, we're going to get it in the oven for about 14 to 15 minutes. All right, we're going to squeeze some lemons. This lemon squeezer has a section that you can use it for limes, or you can flip that over and use it for lemons. So it's got 2 different sizes, which is nice because sometimes you do get fruit that's really big. And we're going to squeeze about at least a 1/2 cup of lemon juice. And when you squeeze a lemon in the lemon squeezer, the manufacturer recommends that you flip it upside down, just like I'm doing. Squeeze it really good. All out of there. So if you've got some lemons in the refrigerator and you need to use them, grab them things, get them out, and make you a delicious, refreshing lemon pie today. Just like Mama's. Absolutely delicious. Woo! That's some good stuff, and it's so simple, y'all. Thanks so much for watching Collard Valley Cooks, where we cook like Mama did. Bye, y'all. We'll see you next time. Love ya.
Cooking time, it's over now. Tammy, she just showed you how to cook it up like Mama used to do. So go on out and have some fun. Now you're getting dinner done with Collard Valley Cooks.